Well, the relationship with DMP has really been a phenomenal one. We have I think, the upper hand when it comes to products. It allows for the integration, and DMP has really had the ability to listen to what us as dealers need and give us that edge in the marketplace. Yeah, so this is actually probably my 5th roundtable I've been to, and I really enjoy coming to them because it allows not only for the one-on-one relationship between the dealers and DMP, but it also allows for the one-on-one relationship building with other dealers around the country. I've had the privilege to be able to call them and say, hey, I'm having this issue, or I need help on something here, and they're there. Even though we may be competition, we have that relationship and knowing that we're all working for a greater good. And so it's a blast coming to roundtables.